Load your family into the 2016 Acura MDX. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, a headlight cleaning system, power moonroof, a power rear cargo door, and a blind spot monitoring system. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Third row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, rear-mounted audio controls, and 12 speakers, ensuring optimal sound no matter where you're seated. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Acura also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.